Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. I finally got my car back from getting fixed. I'm not completely happy with it. I'm gonna have to take it back. But she's fixed. There's some dirt under the paint. Right here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. It's right there. There's also a couple other imperfections like this mark here in the door. There's a paint drip down here. So today we're going to be installing my Grimmspeed Catted Downpipe finally. I'm really excited for this install. I'm probably not going to do a full install video on it because there's plenty of them out there for you. More of a sound clips and stuff like that. And see if you guys can hear the tile bypass valve a little bit better now. Look at this, we got a WRX in my driveway. It's on E. All bolt-ons on it for now. He's got some nice rays on there. But we did a couple pulls, and that's Gino over there. He's going to be giving me a hand today. Sounds good. We're gonna get the intercooler off, take my tile bypass valve off to get access to the heat shield. Okay guys, we got the intercooler off. You just take this coupler off here, you take your bypass valve off and that screw there, and then there's two bolts on either side you take off. And then we can get access to the cover down. Okay guys, we got the heat shield off finally. There were 7 of these little screws in there. And it does take some doing, but you can get it out. Guys, we got the downpipe out. Look at all that restriction there. That's the new one. That's the old one. Hey guys, it's the next day. I found I had a broken pitch step mount. So luckily Gino, who was helping me yesterday, had one at his house in Lexington, so I had to go drive there and pick it up. Got that installed. We got the downpipe installed. Everything's good there. A little baby turbo. Now I just got to put the intercooler on and get my E-tune installed, and then I'm gonna have to wait back for a revision from the tuner before we can go full send. Alright guys, so I got the first data log done and I just now got my second revision, so I was gonna go over with you guys how to do that on the access port. And there's JD. Hello Jade. Aren't you such a cutie? Yeah. So this is for my tuner. I sent him, that's where I sent him the data log. Now here's the revision, and he wants me to do the 3rd gear full throttle pull. Alright, so you'll hook up your access port with the USB cable, and you'll open up your access port manager. Now it's getting all the info. There's all the data logs. Here's the maps. Here's my first PROTUNE from Johnson Tuning. Okay, so there's the first data log I sent him, and here is the second revision. So we'll just click and hold on this and drag it over to the maps. And you want to confirm to file copy. Yes. So there they both are. Alright, so now you'll want to eject access port. Make sure we're good to go on this side. We are. Now we can go to the car. Alright guys, we're in the car. And it's raining out, so I'm not going to put a battery box on it, but really you guys should put a battery box on if you're doing this. So we'll just turn the car on, make sure all the lights and everything are off so you don't waste the battery. And then we'll go down to tune, change map, Ecu Reflash, and that's the first revision from Johnson Tuning. And down there, that is the second one. So we're gonna select that one. Let it do its thing. Now it's going to be doing all crazy stuff up here on the dash. Please turn and leave the ignition to the off position. Okay? Continue. Leave off. Turn the key to the on position again. Continue. It was successful, so turn it off for at least 15 seconds before starting again. 2,500 to 6 grand is the pool they want me to do. Hey guys, so here we are a couple days later, and I finally got the Catted Downpipe installed with all my revisions done, and the tuner finally said I'm good to go. And I'm about 308 wheel horsepower right now, but I still have to go flex fuel and all that, and then we'll go bigger turbo hopefully. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the sound clips, and stay tuned for my new lights. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, I have a nice set of Grimmspeed modded lights that I'll be installing here shortly. So catch you guys on the next one.